Salam sejahtera and a warm welcome to the judges and everyone here today. Imagine being a nursing student who encounters a medical term for the first time, a term that looks complicated, unfamiliar, and difficult to remember. Now imagine having a simple digital tool that allows you to search, understand, and learn the term instantly. This is where Digital DIC comes in. It is an innovative bilingual learning tool developed to help nursing students understand medical terminology in a simpler, faster, and more engaging way. So today, I am excited to introduce how Digital DIC transforms the way nursing students learn and understand medical terminology. Alright. Medical terminology is the fundamental component of nursing education. Nursing students must understand specialized terms to communicate accurately, interpret clinical information, complete documentation, and provide safe patient care. These terms are encountered throughout the lectures, examinations, clinical procedures, and hospital placement. Therefore, students require a learning resource that enables continuous reinforcement beyond the classroom.
Many diploma nursing students experience difficulty understanding and remembering medical terminology because the terms are complex, unfamiliar, and predominantly presented in English. Students may depend on textbook, general online searches, or translated notes, but these resources can be lengthy, inconsistent, and time-consuming to navigate. General dictionaries may also lack nursing-specific explanation and relevant clinical context. This creates a need for concise, accessible, and bilingual learning resource designed specifically for nursing students. To address these learning challenges, Digital DIC was developed as a bilingual, web-based medical terminology learning tool for nursing students. Digital DIC integrates two complementary learning components. The first is a bilingual digital dictionary that provides English medical terms with Bahasa Melayu explanation, supported by keyword search and alphabetical navigation. The second is gamified learning component comprising a challenge quiz, card matching activity, interactive flashcard, and a core nursing glossary.
Let me introduce the key features of Digital DIC. Digital DIC is designed as a bilingual digital dictionary, providing English medical terms together with clear explanations in Bahasa Melayu. This helps nursing students understand complex medical terminology more easily, especially when English is not their first language. The application also provides A to Z alphabetical navigation, allowing students to browse medical terms systematically. In addition, the keyword search function enables students to quickly find the terminology they need, making the learning process faster and more convenient. Important: after reviewing the terms, students can proceed directly to the learning game. The gamified component includes a challenge quiz, card matching activity, interactive flashcards, and a core nursing glossary. Scores, streaks, timers, achievement badge, and immediate feedback encourage students to participate actively and reinforce their learning.
Unlike conventional dictionaries that mainly provide definitions, our digital DIC will allow nursing students to search, understand, practice, and receive immediate feedback. Its content is specifically designed for nursing education and support independent learning through smartphones and computers. The platform is free, easy to access, and require no software installation, making it a practical and scalable educational innovation for the students. The IC has extended beyond its original development setting at KPTM Kota Baru. The platform has been introduced to and used by nursing from KPTM Kota Baru itself, and also University Sultan Zainal Abidin, and also at ILKKM Kuban Krian. This cross-institutional reach demonstrates that the platform is accessible across different nursing education environments.
Digital DIC has the potential to be expanded into a comprehensive terminology learning platform for nursing and allied health education. Future development may include a larger terminology database, additional clinical categories, new game level, student account, and also performance tracking. The platform may adopt a freemium model where basic terminology access remain free, while advanced activity and specialized learning modules are offered as a premium features. Institution subscription and customized package could also be developed for nursing college, universities, and healthcare training institutions. The academic foundation for digital DIC is supported by ongoing scholar work related to digital learning and medical terminologies education. A formal evaluation is planned to assess its usability and educational effectiveness among nursing students, with future findings intended for conference and academic publication. Digital DIC is an original education innovation.
Digital DIC has achieved an important development milestone through formal copyright registration, which protects its original educational content and digital learning design. The certificate and registration details provide evidence of ownership and support its future development and commercialization potential. Okay, for the next phase of future development, so we are planning to expand the medical terminology database, add clinical categories and progressive game levels, introduce user accounts and performance tracking, enhance bilingual learning content, conduct usability and effectiveness evaluations, and last but not least is explore institutional licensing and mobile development. Okay, so in conclusion, Digital DIC provides an accessible and engaging approach to medical terminology learning by integrating a bilingual digital dictionary with gamified learning activities. It enables nursing students to search, understand, practice, and reinforce terminology through a single connecting learning pathway. The innovation is freely accessible through smartphones and computers with continuous content development and formal effectiveness evaluation. Digital DIC has the potential to support a wider community of nursing and allied health learners. Digital DIC empowering future nurses one medical term at a time. And that brings me to the end of my presentation on digital DIC. We believe that when learning becomes easier, understanding becomes stronger. Thank you for your time, attention, and consideration. Thank you, judges, and have a wonderful day.